Hello, and welcome to another episode of What's This Math About? First, we're going to start with that old idea. If we have this rectangle here with a side of 4 and another side of 5 with a continuing side of 6, we can find the area of that rectangle by multiplying the 4 times the 5, which is 20. And then we're going to multiply that 4, which is also the length of this side, by the 6, so that's 24. The area of the total would be 44. Okay, basic principle of, that kind of looks like a car. That's weird. Basic principle of math. Okay, now we took this same idea the other day and we had a problem that said something like 13 was here, we had x here, and this was 7 over here. And we multiplied this part to get 13x. And the other side would be 91 if I'm correct there. And now the total area we said was 13x plus 91. We had that on a problem the other day. And we talked about how that basic idea goes back to this other one over here where we could take the 4 times the entire length here, which is 5 plus 6, and 4 times 11 is 44. That's the total area. Well, that idea applies to this problem that I just did because we have the 13 as the width and our entire length is x plus 7. We're just adding those two sides together. And if we distribute, we get 13x plus 91. Same answer as if we multiplied and then added the inside. That principle we want to carry over to today. So now let's say we have, I don't want that on there. Let's say we have this big rectangle right here. And I have a side of x plus 3 and this side of x and 4. Okay, this first rectangle that's in the lower left, that side, it's an x times x. X times x, you should know, is x squared. On this other side, the width is x, the length is 4, that's going to be 4x. The upper part, we have 3 times x, that's 3x. And the upper right, we have a 3 by 4, which is 12. Altogether, if we add all those parts together, we get an x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. Combine your like terms, and we get x squared plus 7x plus 12. Now, how does what we did the other day apply to this? Well, if I take this side right here, that total side is x plus 4. And if I take this side right here, that total side, if I combine those, is x plus 3. Now, it's distributing twice. Some of you might remember the FOIL, which is first, outer, inner, and last. If I take the first terms, I get x times x. That's x squared. Huh, I had an x squared over here. If I take the outer part, that's x times 3, that's 3x. If I take the inner part, the inner means the inside, that's 4 times x, which is 4x. And if I take the last, I get 4 times 3, which is 12. Well, that happens to remarkably be just like what we had on the other problem. And if I combine my like terms, the 3x and the 4x, I get x squared plus 7x plus 12. So the idea that we took from before with multiplying the length times the width and distributing, we can expand on that to create something a little bit larger. Okay? What you can try for tomorrow would be the problem x plus 2 times x plus 6. And also try, let's go with x plus 5 times, here's a tricky one, good luck, x minus 1. Good luck, give those a try. Have a good day, and I hope you learned something today.